How to enable or disable PHP's display errors in Plesk. Sometimes we need to debug PHP. Hence, we need to enable display errors or disable them for security reasons. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Select the PHP Selector option. Then click the Options menu. If the Options page shows an error related to the native PHP version, change it to a non-native version first. Display Errors is disabled. Let's enable it. That's it. Display Errors has been enabled. To disable this function, click to uncheck the box. It is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.